Antariksh, first of all, I love this show, so please shout out to him. What a great concept. Finally! I know the director also, yaar.
Who's the director?
Arey, it's that guy, yaar.
भगवान ऐसे ही दिखाता है. Hubris टेस्ट करता है. ओरे कांची
की गुड़िया होठों पे बातें प्रेम की पुड़िया ना से खोले आंखों से बोले सोनिया तेरी आंखों में.
नया गाना है क्या? एक्टर एक्ट्रेस डांस स्टेप याद है? उठना पड़ेगा सॉरी. Is it animal?
It is not animal.
What? Yeah, you're also going where I'm going, I feel.
I'm to going nowhere.
Hello and welcome to That Filmy Game Show, the show where through Bollywood acumen and knowledge you figure out who amongst us is the biggest Bollywood Badshah or Begum. Joining me on the show today are two very funny stand-up comedians. They are both writers, they are actors, they've acted, one of them is a great actor. The other one, we have more to see from her as an actor. First up, we have Sumukhi Suresh! Keep going! Keep it going! Yes! Amazing! Sumukhi! Yes!
Thank you so much.
Sumukhi,
Wow.
amazing. Thank you for doing this.
What an aggressive introduction. Both of them, one of them is a good actor. And now both of us are like, is it which one? It was nice, it was good.
You decide, okay.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Thank you, Antariksh. First of all, I love this show, so please shout out to him. What a great concept.
Your money's in the mail, yes. Let's go.
Yeah. You know, like this is one of the shows where if he says that, oh, I want to pitch it to these people, can I do it for free? And we're like, yeah, of course. Because it's so nice. So please,
So
congratulations
sweet.
on this
Wow,
show.
dude, I did not expect
Yeah.
it to become so sweet. Now,
Yeah.
Sumukhi, you're amazing as an actor.
We'll see Prashasti is coming right up.
Also, honoring as a Prashasti Singh!
Hello, just meeting. Hi.
Hello, Prashasti.
Hi.
What's up? What do you have to say in the beginning? As we
Yeah,
start
I'm
the
not
show?
a good actor. Okay, let's just start there.
Fantastic actor.
There is no confusion. But very happy to be here, Antariksh. मैं
you
हिंदी
so
में ही बात कर लेती हूँ actually.
Yeah, bindas.
Momentum पकड़ लेती हूँ पता है. नहीं, very happy.
Also, this is the first time both of us have been paired together for anything.
Oh, really?
And I cannot believe it.
Yeah.
So when you said Prashasti, I'm like, hell yeah.
Yeah.
Take That Nation wants to guess. Yes! Khamba!
Oh my God.
Khamba was
Oh,
also
please
laughing.
don't say it because my episode of Khamba, the Nation Wants to Guess got cancelled. What? Yeah, dude. I feel like it's me only. I think I'm the Shani.
Oh man, oh my god. Why did it get cancelled?
Because I'm the Shani. Oh, really? Because I'm a fantastic actor.
We want only mediocre actors. Awesome. You will see we have a little bit of an audience.
Yeah, a little bit of
They also get to play along with us.
Okay.
Whenever you guys don't get an answer, it throws to them. And it has happened on multiple episodes that aise kar karke they have won the episode and beaten both the contestants.
What?
Okay?
Oh,
It has happened.
competing with us.
Yes, they'll be competing. So
Then why were we so nice to them? हम क्यों हंसा रहे हैं इनको? Shit. तू
So,
English में
yes,
बात कर.
correct.
तू English में बात कर. मैं तमिल में बात करती हूँ.
So yes, they get scored as well, and we'll see how it goes. Starting off, what's the most recent Hindi movie that you guys seen?
Oh. I don't want to say it, you know, but it starts with a D and ends with an R.
Same, sadly.
Wow, yaar.
Same,
Oh,
sadly.
Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge. Oh, nice.
But can I tell you, okay, leave that movie. The recent movie which I really enjoyed was Dhoom Dham.
Oh, that was
Yeah,
I
which was
loved it.
Prateek Gandhi and Yami Gautam.
But also Aditya Dhar.
Aditya
produced it.
Dhar. Oh my gosh.
Clearly, there is an
Just
inkling.
Keeping it in the family.
Because I really enjoyed Prateek. Now it's over. Now I can't take this bit forward.
It has to go also on.
Happy Patel is the recent movie I saw.
I also. Her best.
Did you watched Happy Patel?
Happy Patel I saw.
Oh, what do you think?
On a special screening.
Yay!
And there's some special cameos in the movie.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah.
I did a cameo with Amir Khan.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Like face to face. Like there is heat in the scene.
There is.
And I'm not joking. There
You're
is.
joking. There is.
That's amazing.
Yeah, because Veer first said, "Hey, will you do cameo as a, and I don't know. I was being damn. I don't know what is the character and all. I'm asking for cameo. Look at me. Okay." Then he calls and he's like, very kind. Veer is very kind. I was like, yeah. He's like, bro. Last third call was like, bro. Amir Khan's in it. I'm like, I'll do it.
Wow.
I'm in. I'm so sorry. And he's like, what a lichard, bro.
Nice. Dude,
You won't do it
can't wait.
for Amir Khan.
Of course.
Crazy, man. That's amazing, dude. Amazing.
Yeah, guys. And I behaved damn casual to Amir Khan. I was like, hey.
Hello,
मेरी
आप
जान
कौन
जा रही
है?
है. I was like, shit, Sarfarosh, guys, Sarfarosh.
Dude, I'm imagining that moment in Bads of Bollywood, like, oh, Shah Rukh, right? Yeah. What do you guys think of Bads, by the way? It was a big hit.
Yeah, it's big hit.
I like that one. Yeah, मैंने तो रील भी बनाया था, पैसा कमाया था उससे. My official statement is I love it. Can't retract it.
On. One is cameo, one is real.
But I'll tell you my honest opinion. I actually loved a lot of things about the movie except the romantic track.
हाँ, okay.
मतलब वो जो end
Okay.
नहीं, मुझे शुरुआत से ही वो लगा था कि ये क्यों है.
Oh,
That
yeah.
was
Dude,
the
but
thing.
that he was too funny, dude. Apna
Raghav.
Raghav
Yes.
Sani. Oh,
Yeah,
he's
yeah.
too
Too
good.
good.
He's too
Yeah,
good.
yeah, yeah.
He was the show.
Imran Hashmi ek taraf.
Oof.
Yes, it was great.
That and that guy. कैसा है रे तू? Come on रे.
By the way, do you know we have an actor in the audience?
Where?
Right here in the front row, who played Varun Dhawan's mother in Sunny Sanskari ki Tulsi Kumari.
Oh no. Yeah.
Yeah. That was also a cameo only. Yes.
Because of you. Sunny, yeah. Very cool. I don't know what to say, ma'am. But I would just like to say, I'm sure you did it with for all. Anyway, I can't. Movie over.
So good, man. Amazing. What's the most recent one you saw?
I saw Happy Patel yesterday.
Oh, you saw Happy Patel yesterday, yes, of course.
Yeah, so Dhurandhar was the movie I saw
Okay.
in the theater, like commercially. Ticket
Okay.
खरीद के.
Did you guys not
And-
like Dhurandhar? Like,
Are we allowed to say that?
I mean,
The comments will go
the
crazy,
comments will
babe.
go crazy.
Okay, I'll say. I won't say. What I.
What?
Classic Dhurandhar review. I won't say. I don't want to say. I won't say.
Oh my God! क्यों तुम लोगों ने डराया मुझे? ये सच्चाई देखिए मुझे एक्चुअली प्रोपेगेंडा वगैरह वाला पॉइंट नहीं है. मैं कह रही हूँ कि सेकंड हाफ तक आते फर्स्ट हाफ में बहुत एंजॉय करी थी कि वाह इसकी भी एंट्री हो गई, उसकी भी एंट्री हो गई, उसकी भी एंट्री हो गई. फिर सेकंड हाफ में उन्होंने एंट्री कुछ करा ही एंट्री करा के गुलदस्ता बना के बैठे. ऑल दीज मैन वेस्टिंग माय टाइम अगेन. That was my problem.
Excellent. Nice.
Yeah.
I liked it.
No, it was an entertaining movie.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, yeah.
And Akshay Khanna. Woo.
Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Khanna.
Exactly
yeah,
his
yeah.
words. Woo.
And a Bush,
Yeah.
whatever that is.
Very good.
I have no
Yeah,
idea. All right, cool. Let's talk to this. Okay, we have also a scorekeeper who's in the audience with us.
Okay.
His name is Sanskar.
Hello,
Oh my
sir.
God.
Okay, yes.
Namaskari.
Nice.
No, his name is Sanskar.
Sunny Sanskar.
Sunny Sanskar ki Tulsi Kumar. It's the budget version of that.
Dude, I don't know why all these movies like to give spoilers in the name itself.
They really because they're going through this that they're like audience को समझ नहीं आ रहा कुछ.
Oh,
I'm like,
अच्छा.
audience नोलन की गांड से निकल रहा है पर हमको समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि सारी संस्कार की तुलसी कुमारी. The fuck. It's a new trend कि audience dumb है पर audience हमें मार रहा है.
You guys are fighting for something very important. Okay? This it's a title. The title is called. I'll show you.
Stand up special. 3,000 seater.
You're fighting.
Medicine Garden. Sorry.
You guys are fighting to be crowned the biggest Bollywood begum.
Begum. BBB.
All right?
Okay.
Yes, correct, exactly. BBB. What this title allows you is
Yeah.
becoming the ultimate authority on matters of Bollywood. Should matters of Bollywood ever show up in your life ever again?
Okay, let's go. Yeah.
Say you are at the success party of Sunny Sanskari ki Tulsi Kumari. Okay.
Weekend dream.
Yeah. So these are hypothetical situations.
Hypothetical
Yeah.
situation, yes. Yes.
Got it.
Sorry, man.
Fuck, I'm a dharma artist. Fuck. What am I doing?
Arey, you can do. Who else will do?
Oh, wow. So, say you're at the party, okay? And Varun Dhawan is talking to you. Okay?
Yeah.
And he's like, okay, who do you think is the greatest actress here? He's expecting that you'll say Janvi Kapoor.
But I'll say Varun Dhawan.
Exactly. But you'll be like, Varun, you are the greatest actress. Okay? And because you said that, now he has to roll with it. Because you are the biggest
You're a
Bollywood
BBB,
begum.
babe.
Yeah. Is he the biggest Bollywood? No, he's not. That loser, right, ma'am? Yes. So huge stakes. The biggest stakes is bigger than if you ever win a Filmfare or an Oscar. This is what people remember you for.
Cool.
Alright?
Yeah,
The
yeah.
ultimate.
इस शो का hypothetical quotient बहुत अच्छा है.
Yes.
HQ is very
the
good.
best. All right, let's go. We're gonna start with the games, guys. Yes. The first game we're gonna be playing is very simple. It's called Please Release These Correctly.
Okay.
It's the release date game. Basically, I'm going to name 4 movies.
Okay.
And you have to tell me the correct order in which those 4 movies release. I don't need the date or
Okay.
time of the year or whatever. You know,
Okay.
time of the day, week, whatever you have, month. All I need is the correct order in which those 4 movies
और ये बारी बारी आएगा.
Exactly. So
okay, okay.
some-
बजर नहीं है.
this game will be bari bari.
Okay.
Pehle Sumuki can go first and then Prasasti. And then the second question mein Prasasti can go first and then Sumuki.
Got it.
And
got
then
it.
we'll throw to the audience.
Got it.
Let's go. The first one is as follows. Give me the order in which these Veer Das films released.
Okay.
A. Shadi ke side effects. B. Delhi Belly. C. Go Goa Gone. Or D. Badmash Company. Have you seen all these films?
Yeah.
Tough one.
Okay. You have a favorite from any of them?
I like Shadi ke side effects.
That's actually
It's pretty
quite
fun.
nice.
It's pretty fun.
Yeah.
Delhi Belly is great.
Delhi Belly is
There
actually.
is Akshat Verma.
Yeah.
Shout out.
Yeah.
Go Goa Gone is also amazing actually.
Yeah. And Badmash Company also not bad to be
Yeah,
honest.
actually, Badmash Company
He's picked the better ones.
That's true. Yeah. He picks except for Masti Zaade and all that. After that.
Guys, Mustard was too good. Okay.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
Who's going first?
Sumuki's going
Oh
first.
shit. Okay, cool. Okay.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
it is DABC.
DABC. You're saying Badmash Company, then Shadi ke side effects, then Delhi Belly, and then Go Goa Gone. DABC. Prashasti?
Oh man, this is where I thought इसके में होकर निपट जाएगा. सोचा ही नहीं.
तू वो वाला करते.
एक मिनट. You said DABC.
DABC. Yes.
I would say, I think
ADBC. That was my confusion.
1 second. Go Goa Gone is the most recent. that
मुझे
we
लग
know,
रहा है,
is it?
हाँ. Because तब तक सैफ अली खान had become that.
Yeah, would थोड़ा बुढ़ा.
हाँ. He become that
I
dude.
think I will. ठीक है, I'll do ADBC.
ADBC. You're saying Shadi ke side effects, then Badmash Company, then Delhi Belly, and then Go Goa Gone.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. Can one person in the audience? We'll choose one person to answer for us. Sir, would you like to be that person? Do you have a guess? What is your guess?
Papa. He's now only looking.
D. Badmash. DBAC. Delhi Belly. Shadi,
Intestine.
and then Go Goa Gone.
Intestine.
Actually could be correct also.
is
He
that
could
the
be
same-
correct.
Is that the same as what Sumuki said?
No, I said DABC.
DABC. All right. The correct answer is DBCA.
Oh, all three wrong.
Making everyone wrong. Badmash Company 2010.
Side effects, the
Delhi
most
Belly
recent.
2011.
Wait, Shadi ke side effects was Vidya Balan and Farhan Akhtar.
Farhan Akhtar, he had a cameo. Veer Das had a cameo. Where he searches for a joint.
You thought
That's
car
the.
के side effects?
Yeah.
मुझे तो पता था. मैंने कहा सुमुकी बोल रही तो सही होगा.
Oh, by the way, you can have the same guess if you want.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
cool.
But that's
Okay.
fine.
Yeah, okay.
Okay,
great.
so nobody gets points in this one. No worries.
Dude, we almost saw it, dude. Yeah.
Give me the order in which these Shraddha Kapoor films were released. A. Okay Janu. B. Ek Villain. C. Stree. And D. ABCD 2. Starting with Prashasti.
Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, you be ready with your answer.
Okay.
Prashasti.
I would say.
Okay Janu. Ek Villain. Stree. ABCD 2. Have you seen all these?
I have seen actually. मैंने ओके जानू का तमिल वर्जन देखा है.
Well done.
Oh, okay.
Well done. Okay, Kanmani, that's right.
Yeah, the better movie I've seen. I would say मुझे I think ABC okay एक विलन और ओके जानू मैं ओके जानू okay interesting. I think मुझे B और
A. Okay Janu.
DBC.
A. D. B. C. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay, so Okay Janu. ABCD 2. Ek Villain. 3. ADBC.
ADBC.
I'm thinking ABDC.
A. B. DC. So Okay Janu. Ek Villain. DC. ABCD 2. And 3. Ma'am? Oh, okay. Yeah, you can.
Sorry.
You can correct. You can correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can it is BADC.
BADC. Ek Villain. Okay Janu. ABCD 2 and 3. Ma'am? ABDC. So your ma'am is saying what she said earlier.
What did I say?
You had said
Oh, what did you say?
I also said
Sanskar, did you write down? You said
both of you
ADBC.
said same thing. Okay, cool.
All right, the correct answer is BDAC.
oh wow.
एक विलन 2014, ABCD2 in 2015,
कटाई चले
Okay
जा
Zara
रहा है।
2017 and Screen 2018. Again, neither of you are right.
Damn it, dude.
Not even the audience. Shout out.
Well done, well done, well done, well done. We'll get there, guys.
Wow, this is a really quick show now.
Varun Dhawan winning so far.
The last one in this game is these Paresh Rawal films.
Oh
Correct? Give
my
me the correct order. These Paresh Rawal films released. A. Oi Lucky Lucky Oi, fab film. B. Welcome. C. Bhagam Bhag. D. De Dhanadhan.
किसको पहले बोलना है इसमें?
Some of my favorite movies. These
Yeah.
Yeah.
भागम भाग I'm ready to picture. ये मुझे हाँ okay. So मुझे go.
ओए लकी लकी ओए कब आई थी? 5 रोल वाली ना? ओए लकी लकी ओए was अभय देओल after Devdi कि before Devdi?
Oh, Oi Lucky
After,
Lucky
na?
Oi is the one where Paresh Rawal has like 5
Five,
roles.
that's
or
what, 5
something,
roles, हाँ, 5 वाला.
Yeah.
But was it before? हाँ, it was after Devdi. Devdi कब आई थी? Devdi आई थी भाई 2008 में आजा नचली आई थी, right?
8-9 तक आ गई थी मैं कॉलेज में तो और लोग गाने सुन रहे थे.
आजा नचली बाद आई थी. Seki Vantage points. Okay, so
Why is Aja Nachle is your...
I don't know. I don't have an answer.
very weird.
I don't really have an answer.
Okay. It's all yes.
Okay, cool. Welcome, move. Welcome, strong.
Okay.
How about it is... Fuck. यार मैं एम ही बोल रही हूँ अब तो. ठीक
हाँ,
है.
ठीक है.
BCAD.
Welcome, Bhagam Bhag, Oi Lucky and De Dhanadhan. Prashasti?
दे दनादन क्या होता है दे दनादन में?
अरे वो वाला यार वो.
Babulaiza.
It's not the goal. It's not goal, na.
दे दनादन.
No, that's Dhan Dhanadhan Goal.
Then okay.
Yeah. This De
The
Dhanadhan.
Motane writing is the goal. Yes. correct.
Yeah, that's yeah.
De Dhanadhan,
De Dhanadhan is Sunil Shetty, Paresh Rawal, Akshay Kumar, Archana Puran Singh gets her dog stolen or something.
Okay, some movie.
Yes. yeah. That the hotel ends climax is like the whole hotel floods or something in the water.
How
Not-
believable.
Not that one also. It's okay.
तो मैं तो बहुत clueless हूँ इसमें.
ऐसी बोलते कुछ बोलते मैंने भी
I
कुछ ही बोल
would
दिया.
say
B, welcome.
B.
Yeah.
B.
She says B. Yes.
I am really मैं hang बहुत हो रही हूँ
Guys,
आज.
other movies didn't release only.
P.
Okay, B.
Welcome.
A.
Day.
C.
Oh, is that the same as what Sumukhi said?
अरे भगवान वो वाली.
Yeah.
Hi Rupa Nalia.
Aruba Nalia.
Oh, okay, wait. Okay, I would say BCAD.
BCAD.
Okay, cool, same.
Okay, welcome. Bhagam Bhag, Oi Lucky, and De Dhanadhan. Ma'am, next to.
Oh, all three.
Oh, BCAD. Wow. The correct answer is CBAD. Nobody gets points
Nobody gets a point
in the
again.
first game at all. That has never happened.
बाकी बार सही था एक गड़बड़ हो गई
The correct answer was Bhagam Bhag in 2006. Welcome to 2007. Oi Lucky in 2008 and De Dhanadhan in 2009. Very okayly done, guys. It was okay. It was very well.
अंतरिक्ष तुमको ये हमेशा ऐसा था कि तुमने हमारे टफ बनाया
मुझे
है.
ऐसा लग रहा है हमारा टफ है थोड़ा.
तुम्हारा tough है. Yes.
तुम हमसे बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो, ऐसा मत करो.
That is true. You guys are slightly more pro level, I would say in this.
Okay.
For
अभी
sure.
तो चलना.
100%. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this game.
Okay.
No one gets point.
Yeah, I don't think we need to announce what the scores are. It's all good.
Sanskar, what is the score?
I didn't do much of the keeping of the score. I think we are all at a...
That was the score. I got one point. All right, moving on to the next.
हारने पर मजा आ रहा है.
या सब
The
साथ
next
आ रहे
game. The next game is one of our newer games. You guys have not played this.
Okay.
It's called Whose Line Was It Anyway?
Okay.
The name of this game is a throwback to one of the greatest shows of all time. But how this game on this show works is I will quote a slightly unknown dialogue, maybe from a very popular movie.
Oh shit.
Okay, it's a very popular movie, but the dialogue may not be as well known.
Okay.
You guys have to give me 4 options. Again, you have to guess and tell me where that dialogue and who spoke the dialogue in what
No
what
buzzer,
movie. Again, not this one. This one can again start with
shit.
Prashasti, and then Sumukhi. Both will can take a stab at it, and if both of you are wrong, then it'll throw to the audience.
Of course. हाँ ready.
ठीक है, नहीं तो फिर वही 2 option ही होते हैं. ठीक है. So whose line was it anyway? The first one is as follows. हिंदुस्तानियों का सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन तो हिंदुस्तानी खुद है.
Come on.
पाकिस्तानी तो दूसरा नंबर पे आते हैं. Do you even need the...
मेरा पहले है ना,
Yeah,
मेरा
it's
पहले है
obviously Shraddha Kapoor from ABCD too. Just take it.
Yeah, that's a great song, by the way. Yes, you're right.
It's a C, R Madhavan, Dhurandhar.
The options actually are Amrish Puri, Gadar, Jaideep Ahlawat, Razi. Yes, I know R Madhavan, Dhurandhar, Manoj Bajpayee, Rajyoti. I thought one question should be easy.
Good, I'm happy.
Yeah. Yes, Dhurandhar is right. R Madhavan, Dhurandhar. That's yes, 5 points. Moving on, next one, starting with Sumukhi, is as follows. जेल जाना मेरी किस्मत में नहीं है.
अरे यार.
Who said this and in which film? Was it A. Abhishek Bachchan in Bluff Master, B. Ranbir Kapoor in Sanju, C. Sunil Shetty in मैं हूं ना, or D. John Abraham Dhoom?
I have confusion, but I'm just gonna go with it. A is Abhishek Bachchan Bluff Master.
Okay, what are you confused with? Was the other?
John Abraham. But John Abraham was too stoic. He wasn't given too many lines. So which is I'm going with Abhishek Bachchan. Bluff
All right,
Master.
fair enough.
You know, I remember when he entered in, relax. That's the only dialogue.
Nice, yes.
Yeah.
Bluff Masters, I think it's a movie that's forgotten very sadly.
Too good.
Yeah, not many people talk
Too
about
good.
it.
The
It's
end
an
scene
amazing
with,
film.
end scene with Nana Patekar, iconic.
Yes!
Iconic.
Absolutely, dude. So good. Prasasi, do you have a guess also?
Oh.
You both can take it, have the same guess also if you want.
देख मैं हूं ना तो नहीं है पक्का.
Sunil Shetty में मैंने
अगेन देख वो उसके मीटर में ही नहीं आता.
Lolita, jail jana मेरी किस्मत में नहीं.
Ranbir's range is too good, but संजू की किस्मत में तो था तो.
And उसमें
Maybe he said it before we go to jail.
but like actor was never that cocky कि मेरी किस्मत में नहीं है जेल कि जब से उसकी फटती पे फटती रहती है.
That's true. That's true.
That's why if it's not अगर उसने A बोला है तो मुझे C और D में कुछ बोलना चाहिए.
नहीं तो बोल दे A बोल दे फिर से.
हाँ फिर पॉइंट्स तो एक को ही मिलेंगे ना.
Points दोनों को मिल सकते हैं.
यहाँ पे किसी को नहीं मिल रहा अपन बांट लेंगे.
Let's
ओ नहीं तुझे मिल गए.
देख लो. आप देख लो प्रशस्ति.
I will go with जेल जाना मेरी किस्मत में नहीं है. Which bad actor? Because Ranbir Kapoor did not in my
What
opinion.
bad acting is it anyway?
Okay, I will go for D actually.
Go for D, John Abraham
just
Dhoom. All right. The correct answer, drum roll please.
Woo!
John Abraham Dhoom is right.
Can't believe it. Can't believe it.
Johnny!
5 points.
So good.
Very cool. Very cool. Moving on to the next one.
You know, when you
Very
said-
good.
That photo was weird in the middle. That really threw me off.
Yes. These are called bear slides. It's a buffer slide, so I don't go to the answer slide by
But
mistake.
like this is too.
Yes.
This is too much bearing.
Yeah. Bare chested.
हमारे लिए पिता समान है वो. ऐसा मत करो हमारे साथ. आगे बढ़ो आगे बढ़ो आगे बढ़ो.
Too good. Too good.
Next one. This one can start with Prashasti.
Okay.
माँ बनना दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा सौभाग्य है, ईश्वर का सबसे बड़ा वरदान. Who said this and which film? Was it A. Preeti Zinta in क्या कहना, B. Kriti Sanon in Mimi,
सब तो सेम ही.
C. Neena Gupta in बधाई हो,
yeah.
and D. Preeti Zinta in सलाम नमस्ते.
हम बनना दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा सौभाग्य है. सबसे बड़ा वरदान. इनमें से
प्रीति जिंटा क्या कहना, कृति सनोन, मिमी,
The sad thing
नीना
is
गुप्ता
कि मैंने
बधाई.
बस मिमी नहीं देखी, तीनों बाकी देख
प्रीति
रखी
जिंटा
हैं.
सलाम
But still I'm like कहीं भी हो सकता है. कि दो में तो दो तो प्रीति जिंटा ही है.
हाँ, all four is pregnancy.
माँ बनना दुनिया का सबसे
I
बड़ा
was just looking for pregnant women. That's basically
All four is
the
there
criteria was.
multiple.
Just kahani is missing.
Yes.
वो प्रीति ने वो
कहानी
भी
उड़े
किया,
हुए, yes,
चोरी
correct.
चुके हैं भी.
उसमें pregnant थी वो.
ये प्रेगनेंसी तो किल कर दिया था उसने एकदम. लिरिल के बाद सीधे प्रेग्नेंट हुई चली जा रही थी.
सासू में दिन दाद.
ओके. माँ बनना दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा सौभाग्य है, ईश्वर का सबसे बड़ा वरदान. मुझे उसका वो वाला डायलॉग तो याद, आई डोंट थिंक उसमें था. क्या कहना, तो मैंने वो मल्टीपल टाइम्स देखा है स्टेज वाला डायलॉग. क्या आप उस टुकड़े को फेंक देंगे, कैसे टाइप का कोई डायलॉग था.
मिले हम. Everyone remember that?
yeah.
आया है बाहर.
कि मुझे आई फील कि वो टोन ऑफ डायलॉग
सलाम
वाज डिफरेंट. एंड सलाम नमस्ते
was
में
too
उसको
fresh.
उसको नेगोशिएट नहीं करना पड़ा था सलाम
Yeah.
नमस्ते में.
Also they were too like young.
या कि उसमें no one was judging her too much for pregnancy.
Yeah.
She was in Australia.
वो Ben and Jerry's का chocolate खा रही थी.
या और हम भी ढूंढ रहे हैं और अब में कहाँ
Yeah, correct.
साढ़े 12 बजे.
Ben and Jerry क्या होता है मुझे तो दिन शास पता है.
भाई मेरे अर्ली 20s बहुत फक किए हैं सलाम नमस्ते ने. मैंने कहा
yeah.
इसको बॉयफ्रेंड भी मिल गया, लिव इन भी कर रहा है, प्रेग्नेंट करके साथ भी दे रहा है.
वो आरजे है, वो शेफ है, हम यहाँ हैं जो मरे पड़े हैं.
मेडिसिन की पढ़ाई कर रही बहन जो.
Yeah. He had
Kinda.
nickname was Nick.
Nick
I don't know
Arora
Nikhil.
and then Amber.
Amber. Humber.
तो कोई कुछ
Was that Suresh Menon?
मुझे मेरा नाम ही नहीं बुला रहा है कोई.
Javed Jaffrey, yes.
Yeah,
Humber,
then relax, babies. That one. That
Babes, what have I
babes
said
forever.
always about the Indians? Sorry. Hey.
Arshad Varsi being Arshad Varsi again.
Okay, I will.
Arshad Varsi is his friend.
Bestie.
His bestie, yes, correct. Oh yeah. it's been so
सब
long.
कुछ ही सही था भाई उनकी लाइफ में. तब भी पिक्चर
Best
बन
friend भी
गई.
Arshad Varsi को है. Yeah. Yes, circuit best friend to say that.
फिर मैं गेस के लिए मैं आई विल गो विद बधाई हो नीना गुप्ता.
बधाई हो नीना गुप्ता. बधाई हो. Subukhi?
I'm stuck between A and B.
A and D, you're saying?
B.
A and
ये
B.
देखो ये पूछता तभी जब मेरा गलत होता है.
नहीं.
ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, okay.
I don't know. Is that a tell? Shit, I just.
Because you not ask Dhurandhar.
Yeah.
Oh, because
Oh, it was too obvious.
it was too obvious.
Okay.
It would be.
I'm
yeah.
gonna go with okay, I'm gonna go with A. क्या कहना?
A क्या कहना? All right, drum roll, guys. क्या कहना is right.
Finally!
Pretty Zinta क्या कहना?
Well earned. Well deserved.
Well earned. Can't be pregnant, but can figure pregnant. That's me.
Have you guys figured it out? Okay, everyone. Okay, cool.
You guys knew or? Wow,
और
so
अब
much.
तो सब ऐसे ही बोलेंगे. तो क्या?
तुम सबको पता था तुम pregnant हो.
Okay.
This movie is too hectic, but
भाई या
Yeah.
बहुत फट तो ली थी लेकिन. This movie did its job.
actually the line I remember it when she's like suddenly मेरे अंदर से एक आवाज आई माँ.
Dude, this movie ruined us.
Yeah.
कि वो रोमांस के बाद ये क्रिंज होता है क्या? No, I want.
Dude, when I was younger, I never related with Saif Ali Khan's character. I only related with Chandrachud Singh.
No.
Because I was like, मेरे को sex तो नहीं मिल रहा. I'll take care of a
As
pregnant lady.
Chandrachud sings ourselves. We would like to not say no.
Oh no, it's the first. अंदर ये दोबारा किसी के सामने बोलना मत ये. तुम माचिस वाला बन जाओ चंद्रचूड़ को बेटे.
Chappa chale. That brings us to the end of this game. Yes, very fun round. Very fun round. We are acing past them. Where do we stand, Sanskar, at the end of game 2?
Sumukhi is at 5.
Yeah.
Prashasti is at 10.
Whoa. Durandar.
And the audience are yet to score.
Okay.
5-5.
It's 5 each.
I thought like thoda
Very Chandrachud.
very Chandrachud. Yeah.
Sorry, man. There are some where we'll get 10.
Okay.
And
She had decided to.
you'll see. No, it's fine.
Classic Chandrachud. Sorry.
As of now, wait till I become Seth. Wait. All right. The next game is very simple again. Bollywood in Jeopardy.
Oh, you mean now? Sorry. Shout out Bollywood.
The next game is called
love
Bollywood in Jeopardy. How this game works is I will read the plot description of a very popular mainstream film.
Okay.
And you guys have to buzz in. This is a buzzer round.
Arey yaar.
I'll tell you what the buzzer. It's a mouth buzzer. So it's a mouth-based buzzer.
Okay.
You can make a buzzer sound, whatever you like it to be.
Okay, cool.
Can I know what your buzzer would be?
भाई पिछली बार मैंने पता क्या चुना था?
Oh,
कुछ
yes.
बहुत ही अजीब चुना था मैंने पिछली बार. कुछ
Dude, I remember exactly.
What was it?
So she did. Okay, this is my buzzer. So you can't do that because by the end.
Sonali said and I was every
Yeah.
time buzzer
Yeah.
करना मैं पूरा.
Dude, exactly, and you get
There
very
is
passionate.
Ayala.
You get very passionate, so you're like slapping yourself throughout the episode.
It was
It's not what you want.
learning
Simpler.
is too
Yes.
simple.
Simpler.
हाँ.
Yes.
You
So
wanna do Preeti Zinta Ma?
okay.
माँ वाला कुछ नहीं होगा इस शो में. तुमको चाहिए ना कि शो चलता रहे तुम्हारा.
Okay, sure. Don't worry. Durandar, say your.
Oh. तो शो शर चल रहा है.
ऐसे.
Great, nice. That's a good one. Yeah.
I wanna go for ouch.
And out.
Cow and out.
Ouch.
Yeah.
All right. Cool. Again, so whoever buzzes first gets to go first.
Oh, we have to buzz. Okay.
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 The first question is as follows. A falls in love with B, a mysterious man who frames her. Okay, you'll go first, but I'll just complete the question. Who frames her for carrying illegal firearms. However, in jail, she transforms into a vindictive woman and sets out to avenge the wrongs done to her. Sumukhi.
Arey.
Oh, sorry. I forgot to mention one aspect of this game. You will still go first. You have to say the answer in the form of a question. If you don't ask it as a question, and I catch you on
Arey, I
it,
forgot the name,
I
yaar.
will let the other person steal.
Arey,
Because
maan
Bollywood
yaar.
So the question can be in the form of, is this Dil Chahta Hai?
Oh shit.
What is Dil
Can you be
Chahta
quiet for
Hai?
5 seconds?
Let us think.
And A falls in love with B,
Arey
a
yaar.
mysterious man who frames her for carrying illegal
Arey, I know
firearms.
the director also, yaar.
Nice. Who's the director?
Arey, it's that guy, yaar. Shriram Raghavan.
Yes,
Saif
it is,
Ali
you're
Khan,
right.
Urmila Matondkar.
You are exact. Prashasti, you can still steal. She's happy you can steal.
it.
Ow!
See it as a question.
Ow!
As a question. As a question.
As a
I'm going to
question.
ask you
Oh.
the question.
Is the movie Ek Hasina Thi?
Yes.
मैं तो पहले प्यार में क्या क्या बोलने वाली थी नहीं, पहले मैं गुमराह सोची थी
Oh, नहीं.
फिर जब तक
Yes,
you
वो
took time
does.
I was like oh कट गया सही
Bro, a movie is so ahead of its time, by
Yeah,
the way.
yeah, too good.
Even today, it holds up so
Sure.
well. I just saw it like 2 days back again. Oh,
Super.
fantastic, dude. So good.
Again, Saif Ali Khan. Shout
Saif
out.
Ali Khan, shout out. All right, next one. Again,
Just why?
Hiranandani behind.
सैफ अली खान लोगों को fuck कर रहा है fuck over कर रहा है
Yes. Again,
आगे,
keep your buses ready, guys. A passionate musician A and a soft-spoken lyricist B who find healing and love in each other while casting. Yes, you will go first. In each other while creating music, but their intense bond is tested by B's secret diagnosis of early onset Alzheimer's, which erases her memories, leading to heartbreak and a fight to hold onto their connection. Sumukhi.
Sayara. Is it Sayara?
Oh yes, it is. Yes.
Please, guys. Please let me have it, guys.
मैं तो बुढ़ी बनी
Full five. Full five. Full five.
Please, sorry, guys. Sorry.
Very well done. Very
But
well
I
done.
gave the director name in the
Yeah,
previous.
yeah, you did, you did. Who's director of this one?
Arey, that guy.
Ah, nice.
Rohit Suri.
You're right. Okay.
दैट गाय अपना उद्दा का पति डीजे उसकी वाइफ
तुझे देख. Sorry.
Very good. That's full points for Sumukhi. Moving on to the next one. Buzzers ready?
Arey, what the fuck? Oh,
Nice.
no, is this a safe
It's
episode?
a safe episode now. Yes, it's a safe episode.
You know, look at Saif Ali Khan. He's so upset. He's like, why am I doing this? मैं नवाब हूँ बैठ. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ?
And Akshay has no self-respect, dude.
so happy
Too happy.
दिख रहा है काम में दिख रहा है
Oh, dude. Okay. Next one is as follows. A mysterious traveler slips into the heart of Karachi's underbelly.
यार, come on यार.
You'll go first. Wait. Underbelly and rises through its ranks with lethal precision, only to tear the notorious ISI underworld nexus apart from within. Yes.
सारे पॉइंट आज question is it Dhurandhar
Yes, it is Dhurandhar.
What is it?
Huh? Wow, Prashasti is winning all the Dhurandhar points today.
भगवान ऐसे ही दिखाता है हुब्रिस टेस्ट करता है
Next.
बहुत मैंने जिया लाइफ में यही
Thank God.
Ben is actually.
Stressing me. The nakedness was really stressing me, you know.
Hey, he's naked.
No.
Okay.
He's naked, I'm okay with.
या यही लेके आओ हमारे लिए
Okay. Next one is as follows. A, the heir to the Dash Empire, is sent on an exile for having fought with his half-brother. B,
Oh, wow, really?
Prashasti will go first. While traveling south, he meets C, Princess of Dash, and falls for her.
is it Bahubali
It is not Bahubali.
Oh!
Sumukhi, do you have any
Is
guess?
sent on the exact. Oh!
Take your time. Yeah. You have
What's
a
it
little bit
called?
of
Ouch!
is it
Is it that movie, Ray? That one?
Full points, Sumukhi.
Arey, it's with that Kartik Aaryan, yaar. Is it that one? No, it's not that one. Arey, it's that only.
You can't. Don't help, yes.
Oh no, but he's not. Correct.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. The heir to the empire
Oh, it's
is
not
sent
that
on
movie. It was
exile
that
for
movie.
having fought with his half brother.
Yeah.
While traveling south, he meets C, Princess of Dash, and falls for her. Okay.
नेगेटिव नंबर है क्या
अरे
Then
जो
no
बोला
negative
बोल.
points. No negative points at all.
you
तू बोलना मुझे नहीं पता.
Also, if you don't get it at this point, I'll give you a small hint also.
Okay. तुझे पता
For
है,
half
तू
the points,
एक और
yes.
ले ले.
No. Prashasti already
Oh, sorry.
guessed.
Sorry.
Okay,
हाँ,
Sumukhi
give
gets your
me the
Yeah.
guess. Achhi
Okay.
hint.
So you can take a wild guess if you want. Because
Okay.
there's no negative points. And then I'll give you a hint. Again, you both of you can guess
take
after the
some
hint.
guess
Oh,
So take any guess if you want, just to throw away.
यार,
if
is
you
it साउथ में कौन जाता है यार? यहाँ के तो बच्चे साउथ जा ही नहीं रहे हैं. पर is it Chennai Express?
want. It is not Chennai Express. I will tell you that C, the princess,
हाँ.
is named Korvaki. Yes.
अशोका is it Asoka
It is Ahsoka. Yes. Again. Good save.
So good.
Well done.
Wow.
That's
Massively
2.5 for Prashasti.
मैंने बहुत नाचा है ओरे कांची
कांच की गुड़िया
होठों पे बातें,
प्रेम की पुड़िया राज़ खोले आँखों से बोले
proper.
Nice. Very good. Also, sun.
Oregachi.
Chandrachud is back, guys.
Oh my god.
Hey!
Oh, he's also back.
All right.
Chest hair is back.
Yeah.
These are all bells. All right. A, an influential man, is falsely charged with the murder of an upright politician.
Ouch.
Okay, Sumukhi will go first. When he is imprisoned, his son B steps into his shoes as a leader to protect his father and their legacy.
Is it animal?
It is not animal.
What?
Prashasti.
Okay, 1 second. When the mother of an upright politician,
Oh!
when he's imprisoned, his son B steps into his shoes as a leader to protect his father and their legacy. अरे वो कौन सी movie थी?
A, an influential man, is falsely charged with the murder of an upright politician. When he is imprisoned, his son B steps into his shoes as a leader to protect his father and their legacy.
अरे मेरे को.
Oh, okay.
Is it? हाँ.
Yeah, only Prashasti can
I'll
go
have
right
to try
now.
ना. हाँ,
Yeah.
1 second. गोविंदा क्या
हाँ, वो कर दे।
नाम क्या है?
मैं बता दूं क्या मैं?
No.
नहीं मुझे
Guys,
मुझे आना
go
चाहिए. 1 second. सारा मेडिट में.
Nice.
मेरा एक हसीना थी मोमेंट हो रहा है तेरा। मैं बता दूं।
Wait, hold on. गोविंदा आएगा. Is it एक ही वर्ड का तो है जो है. Is it?
अब की बार
Oh! Yes. What a hit. What a
अब की बार
great
के बाद
hit.
क्या है?
सरकार.
Yes.
Question.
But she didn't ask her a question. No, she didn't ask her a question. I'll let Sumukhi steal. She completely forgot. But go ahead.
Okay. Is it Sarkar?
It is Sarkar, yes.
Oh.
Because
Can we split the points?
Can you take it?
Okay.
The thing is,
मेरा काम है ना मैं ले रही हूँ.
the thing is, it is, yeah. Sumukhi. Right.
Such amazing competitive spirit.
नहीं, पहले आप. Okay, I think that's the end of this game also. Yes.
What? There's a close up on his crotch now, guys. That's crazy.
Sarkar was right that I think I have one more in this if I'm not wrong.
Yay.
Okay, let's go. Keep your buzzers ready. Dash rebuilds his dead father's car.
Ouch. I'm saying couch.
I think Prashasti went first. I'll just come to the question. But the car comes to life in a miraculous way. Slowly, the car starts killing the killers of Dash's father. Yes.
मुझे मूवी गेस करना है ना.
Yes.
Is it Tarzan the
Yes,
Wonder
it is
Car?
Tarzan. Easy enough. All right, that was the end of game 3 as well. We're racing through these. Amazing. Sanskar.
Fun.
Sumukhi is at 15.
Woo! Yes.
Prashasti is at 27.5.
Whoa!
How am I 15? I should be some 0.5. No. Last
no.
one was 2.5.
No,
Oh,
Prashasti got that.
Got it.
Yeah. And audience is yet to start.
Die.
No, audience is yet to start.
Audience is at 0. All right. Cool.
Please just let it be.
Okay, guys. This I'm very excited for. This is a new game.
Oh.
Okay, how this
Because
game
it's a
works?
new combo.
Yeah, combo. Who? Okay, how this game?
Movement comics.
How this game works? Very simple. Is I will name either an actor plus an actor, or an actor plus director, or actor plus singer, and whoever I name, you guys will buzz in and tell me one project or one song or something that they've done together. Okay? If it's an actor and singer, just make sure it's a song. If it's a director and actor, make sure it's a movie or anything from that movie if you want. Like, okay? And if it's an actor and actor, you can move.
I think we understood. We'll see.
Yeah, take it.
नाजायज औलाद का.
Let's not over-explain it.
The theory was too much. I want to practice.
Yes. Fair enough. Easy enough. All right. Combo who? The first one is give me Saif Ali Khan plus Sushmita Sen. Nice.
Saif Ali Khan plus?
Sushmita Sen.
Yeah, you're also going where I'm going, I feel.
I'm to going nowhere.
Nice.
There has to be
Wow, it is a Saif Ali Khan episode, man. I just realized. Shit.
Saif Ali Khan, Sushmita Sen.
Yes.
Yeah. Intestine.
Just if you
Just
guys are
wait,
guessing,
just
yeah,
wait.
yeah, that's fine. Yeah, just if you guys can think out loud, possibly, and also just if you guys are also thinking, just don't say it out loud.
Don't think loud.
I'm
Yeah.
too thinking. I'm thinking.
Saif and Sushmita.
Saif and Sushmita, they're tall short, so it's already.
It'll be 5 points each time. Okay. So
Okay.
if you want, I can give you a hint. I'll go to.
No, wait, no. Let's
Think.
list
No
out Sushmita Sen movies in our head because they're lesser,
Cool.
right? है ना?
Correct. Fair.
उसमें तो वो सलमान था और ये था वो लगा रे तो not that. ठीक है फिर वो समय में तो ये वो थी हाँ
सैफ ने किया नहीं होगा पैसे
एग्जैक्ट और मैं हूं ना में तो नहीं था वो
नहीं
ओ मैं आउच
Yes.
आउच मैं हूं ना
Saif is on.
या बिग ओ नो सॉरी ओम शांति ओम सॉरी cancel या ओम शांति
Om Shanti Om. Sushmita's not there. No, Sushmita's not
cancel
there.
cancel
Yeah,
minus points
yeah. No. minus points.
Oh, give us hint now. Give us hint.
Okay, both of you aren't getting it. I'll give you a hint. I'll give you a hint.
yeah
I'll give you a hint.
Hint.
एक्चुअली ओम शांति ओम उसमें इंटरव्यू सीन में सुष्मिता थी और सैफ अली खान भी था वो डांस में
Sushmita है क्या इंटरव्यू में? I don't
नहीं।
think she's there. No. Good
मैंने
try.
try
Good
तो
try.
किया,
Good try.
मैंने
Yeah. It's a good one.
मैंने बेचने की कोशिश
Yeah,
तो की
correct. You could try. Yes.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay,
yes.
ready. Give hint.
Okay, so the hint is in the same movie, there is also Anil Kapoor and Tabu. Okay.
Oh,
Guys, wait. हाँ बोलो.
In the same movie, there is Anil Kapoor and
Tabu.
Tabu.
ouch
Yes.
BV number 1
Yes, exactly right. Very cool. That's 2.5 for Sumuki. Very nice.
Saif भी है.
हाँ वो
Yeah.
उसका लुक का बॉयफ्रेंड है
Exactly. In the starting, he's a photographer boyfriend.
Yeah.
He's like, hello, मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ. And she's like, yeah.
Yeah. मुझे इसमें की बहुत बड़ी कास्ट याद है लेकिन सैफ
हाँ.
अली खान याद ही नहीं है. उसका
Yeah,
पूरा
yeah.
दिन चलता है क्या उस टाइम?
उसका कट जाता है.
चला दो चला दो
Yeah. उसका पूरी मूवी में कटता है and then in the end when
भी
she's
कटता
like, yeah. Any,
उसने like I mean cut
हाँ.
in the sense like as metaphor
yeah.
Not really.
not really
Okay. Let's go. Again, buzz is ready.
Okay, yeah.
Akshay Kumar and Himesh Reshammiya.
oh
So many.
ouch
Yes.
London नमस्ते लंदन
Namaste London. Which
सॉन्ग ना ओ कहने को साथ अपने एक दुनिया चलती है
that's a Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, but he was the composer.
म्यूजिक कंपोजर इधर तुम घुसोगे
Yes. You're right. My bad.
it was Javed Akhtar Himesh first time
Hey, oh, I didn't know that.
keep
Wow.
it यार keep it
Thank you. Wow, nice. Okay,
वो लास्ट वाले फक अप के बाद
let's go.
वो वॉमिट में जो घूमी मैं अपने
क्या? नहीं.
और भी मैं ग्लिच किए जा रही हूँ मैं बॉम्ब करे मैं रुक ही नहीं रही हूँ
Next one. Was you ready? Katrina Kaif, Amitabh Bachchan.
ouch
Yes.
oh
You can go. You can see.
I can go.
Yeah.
Sarkar.
Yes. Exactly right. Very well done. Very well done.
doom
Very
dumb boom
Boom. Also Thugs of Hindustan, if you want.
wait Katrina is in Sarkar
सरकार आया वही तो आती है वही तो बनती है उसी गर्ल
Yeah. Abhishek Bachchan.
अभिषेक बच्चन की ऐश्वर्या नहीं
Yeah.
बनती
नहीं.
वाइफ बनी को लेटर
That was Guru. You think of Guru? Wow, these guys are... Okay,
भरे
next.
बैठे.
Akshay Khanna and Bipasha Basu.
ouch
Yes.
race
Whoa, killing it. Full five. Salman Khan, Adnan Sami.
ouch
Yes. You can steal. Quick. You can steal.
ओके अदान
Salman Khan, Adnan Sami.
I don't know यार
Adnan Sami and Salman Khan.
Adnan
Salman
Sami,
Khan,
Salman
Adnan Sami.
भाई जल्दी बोल दिया
Yes.
बजरंगी भाईजान
song is-
भर दो झोली मेरी या मुकम्मल
बात कर मैं जाऊंगा खाली.
strong
Also-
comeback after vomit
Yeah, also Salame Ishq, Salame Ishq.
This song while I'm very weak I'm realizing.
दिल क्या करे? Okay, Salman is not in this song yet. Salame Ishq.
Salame Ishq only.
Bigi दर्द दांतों में. Oh yeah. दिल क्या करे? Oh. Okay. Oh, good. I got a good one. Ranbir Kapoor, Lucky Ali.
Ouch.
Yes.
अंजाना अंजानी
Yes.
हैरत
Killing it, dude. So good.
what a
So
comeback
good. What a time.
cleaning
Yes. So good. Amazing.
वॉमिट किया था मैंने
याद है यार मत करो कैंसिल कर यार
Oh. Give me. This is might be tough. I don't know if you guys know.
अभी
this.
तो बड़ा
अब तो
ये तो अच्छा लगा.
बड़े ही थे अब तक
सभी लोग अभी तक. Okay. Kangna Ranaut and Karan Johar. There's only one. If you get it, you get it. It's
Kangna and Karan.
Kangna
yeah.
and Karan.
It's basically Karan is the
Ouch.
producer. You know. Yes.
Katti Batti?
No, not Katti Batti.
Ah!
Yes.
Okay. Hold on. Is it Karan is the producer, right?
Must be.
Yeah,
must
yeah.
be.
Correct.
Can't be
correct.
director.
Yes.
Did you put? Is it Rangoon?
No, not Rangoon. Also, I'll
Wait,
give you a
wait,
hint.
wait. Coffee with Karan. No, wait. Don't give us hint yet. Just
Okay,
wait.
okay.
Let us think.
Oh shit! I think I have registered it, but now I'm forgetting it.
See, Queen was not Dharma, it was Phantom. Right. Then
there was Revolver
that
Rani.
Simran was Hansal Mehta fight.
Have you all gotten it?
Yeah. Oh, Katti Batti.
कट्टी बट्टी नहीं मना कर दिया ना
Oh.
उसने। उसका वो तो नहीं होगा, वो वाला भी नहीं होगा।
उसके बाद पिक्चर ही कितनी
कंगना का वो वाला बिकिनी वाला भी नहीं होगा, वो तो भाई किसी अजीम टाइप सी होगा।
सेंटिमेंटल वगैरह जो मूवी आई थी
सेंटिमेंटल में तो धर्मा नहीं था ना, तू भूल दे पर।
I
don't think it's Dharma, huh?
Hint. Yeah. Give you a hint.
Hint.
Okay. The hint is
Hint
the
में
name.
वापस बजर करना है.
अरे
Yeah. Again, I'll give you a hint and then buzz again.
Okay.
So the name of the movie is a body part. It's a one word body part.
नहीं, it's one word.
Wait. One word body part.
अताड़े.
Yes.
I know it. Ouch. अरे it's इमरान हाशमी, कंगना रनावत। वो गाना है ना, उसमें वो गाना भी है ना, अरे यार माँ की। या
Pakizare, that one?
no the other one, but fuck it. अरे कान खजूरा, no.
body part.
It's
कान.
chocolate नहीं, अरे
I'll tell you. I'll do you one better. It's
yes.
A body part named in Hindi.
अरे यार, अरे है वो, याद है इमरान हाशमी, कंगना रनावत, उसमें वो गाना है वो
Okay, wait. Hold on. बहुत नजदीक पहुंच गए हम.
छू नहीं, बॉडी पार्ट्स तू हिंदी में बोलना।
हाँ बॉडी पार्ट
नाक,
हिंदी में
कान,
नाक कान होठ अतड़ी दिल नींव गुर्दा
पंजाब। कान
गुर्दा
खजूरा, नाक।
या
I really don't think they're gonna get it. Should I throw to the audience? Yes! Wow! That was amazing, dude.
अरे वो
So,
गाना कौन सा जो क्लब में गाते हैं वो लोग?
2.5.
डांस पसंद थी।
Oh, dance pasand. Oh, yeah, someone else. 2.5 for Sumuki. Very cool.
ब्यूटीफुल भाई
We'll do.
You know
We'll
what?
do
No
just a
points
couple
is also fine. This is so satisfying. As a
of- Very
concept.
good.
उंगली पे आया ऐसे से
Let's do. We'll just do two more in this one. Okay. Give me Sukhwinder Singh SRK.
Chaya chaya.
Chaya. Yes. Chak Chatte. Akshay Kumar and Saif Ali Khan. You Prashasti.
मैं खिलाड़ी तू
Yes,
अनाड़ी
absolutely fair. That's it. All right. Okay, last one we'll do.
it's fun.
Absolute last is give me Salman Khan and Saif Ali Khan.
Ouch.
Yes. Quick, you can see.
BV number 1.
Yes, again right. I would have also accepted. Would have also accepted Hum Saath Saath Hai. But yes, absolutely right. Om Shanti Om. Yes, absolutely right. Absolutely right.
Full circle.
Very cool. That was a super fun round, guys.
So what a
Amazing.
great round,
Thank you so much.
Wow.
That was so nice. So nice.
What a
Now, this was-
Novak Djokovic moment.
Yes, this is a high-scoring game. We might have turned the tables.
high-scoring
Let's see.
game.
Sanskar,
Prashasti is at 37.5
37.5.
and with a great recovery, Sumuki is now at 50 points.
Up to on. Up haba.
That's
social
insane, dude.
competition.
Oh, wow.
We're ready.
Amazing.
We have literally
Yeah,
got
yeah.
both of
That's
us did
crazy.
this.
Crazy good. Wow. So well done. Too good. We're down to our last two games. Fans of the game, guys. Fans of the game.
गाने वाला है।
Guys, the next game. The next game we're going to be playing is called Versus. This is our most popular game. And how this works, how the game works is I will read the lyrics of the second verse of a very popular mainstream song.
Oh, the mind fuck.
By read, I mean literally read off tune as a piece of poetry. It's again a buzzer game. So whoever buzz in first and recognize the song first can let me know what they think the song is. And if you get right, you get right. All right.
I'll cry, dude. I'll cry.
सुरीली
I'll cry so
That's a good one. That's a
Thank you
regular
so much.
watcher. I like this.
It happens a lot.
No. So basically, Varun and Sumukhi were on a legendary episode of the Film Game Show, and fans of the episode, dude. Fans of the episode. Yes. And Varun happens to have also worked in the casting of the movie called Veer.
Oh.
From which the song is Surili Akhiyon Wale. But they took a half an hour and could not recognize. They got the tune, everything. They're like, na 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 na.
And then after that, he also asked the same. This asshole.
Yes.
Okay. In Kautuk and Neville Shah's episode.
Exactly right.
Yeah.
You watched.
Yeah, because Kautuk called me and told me.
Yes.
Kautuk and Neville Shah.
Good. Okay, that's
He's
right.
saying this episode, this question was asked to Varun Thakur and Sumukhi.
Yes, correct.
Will you get it? And they were like, no, we don't want it. So we were like, oh, our shame was spread.
Yeah. And then, just to complete the test circle, Adar was also on an episode. And I asked him also. So, alright. Cool. The first one. The second was lyrics are as follows. Keep your buzzers ready. You want to keep the same buzzers? You change
Fuck the buzzer. The
We have
buzzer you needed only.
Yeah.
We're going to glitch something.
So we will read or you'll
No,
tell?
again, I'll read
Okay, you'll
it.
tell.
I'll read this. Because reading it on screen
Yeah,
will make
makes
it
it
easier.
better.
Make it
Yeah,
easier.
oh, that's right.
Makes it better.
He's also an asshole. Yeah. He's the worst. Like, he tries to do the AI voice और उससे नहीं होता है. और fuck करता है तुझे दिमाग को.
Correct. Exactly right. Let's go. The first song का second verse are as follows. जाने कब मेरी नींद उड़ी सोई सोई रातों में जाने कब मेरा हाथ गया सोने आ तेरे हाथों में. Then repeats. जाने कब मेरी नींद उड़ी सोई सोई रातों में जाने कब मेरा हाथ गया सोने आ तेरे हाथों में चल बढ़ते तेरी ओर मैं जब भी कदम उठाती हूँ. Yes.
Ouch.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
I think I'm wrong.
Okay, but
Is the song तेरी ओर
no,
तेरी
it's not.
No,
it's not. It's not. Now Prasasti can still take a stab. I'll complete reading it. Okay,
shit.
for her. And yeah, but also if at this point you don't get it, even Prasasti don't get, then I'll give you a hint. You'll see what the hint is. Okay. Anyway. जाने कब मेरी नींद उड़ी सोई सोई रातों में जाने कब मेरा हाथ गया सोने आ तेरे हाथों में चल बढ़ते तेरी ओर मैं जब भी कदम उठाती हूँ जाऊँ तुझसे दूर दूर तो पास तेरे आ जाती हूँ. Yeah. Hoy!
सोनिया तेरे
Yes.
हाथों में.
Yes.
Babe, go for it.
Yes.
पर first line नहीं आ रहा है.
Jam with me. I actually don't know.
जाने कब मेरी नींद उड़ी सोनिया तेरे आंखों में ना 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 ना
Actor, actress, dance step. Step याद है?
तो उठना पड़ेगा. सॉरी. This song. It can't be that bad a song मैंने सुना है. मैं बहुत कम गाने सुनती हूँ.
Hook step क्या है?
पता नहीं. But it's one of those songs. It's not ghazal. Okay?
It's not ghazal. It's a vibey song.
जाने कब मेरी नींद सोनिया तेरे
Trailer shot. Ready.
जाने कब मेरा हाथ
गया
सोने आ तेरे हाथों में.
I want to help you.
आई का ट्यून
I
क्या
can't help
है?
you.
If you're absolutely not getting it, I can go half for half. Half for half would be you've gotten the
But
tune.
yeah, she's gotten the tune.
Yeah, but half for half, it might help you is the last part ka singing, half singing.
हाँ, okay, give.
Okay.
फिर points कम हो जाएंगे.
Yeah,
But
so
give.
yeah, so 2.5,
हाँ.
half for half singing that is.
हाँ.
जाने कब मेरी नींद उड़ी सोनिया तेरे सोई रातों में जाने कब मेरा हाथ गया सोनिया तेरे हाथों में चल बढ़ते तेरी ओर मैं जब भी कदम उठाती हूँ जाऊं तुझसे दूर दूर तो पास तेरे आ जाती हूँ.
ये है मिला मुझे.
Yes.
ये था.
Dude, if you know the singer, you'll be like, that's all he can manage.
Oh, ऐसे ये hint है.
Oh!
Is it Anu Malik?
Okay.
No.
जाने कब
I'm over. I'm
No, this is hint, but you can still take a guess.
Oh no, this is too. Okay, cool. I'll try. You're saying singer is it Farhan Akhtar?
No, it is not a. Wait, no, it's not a good.
It's not a good singer.
It's not
Oh,
a good
Neha
song.
Kakkar. I'm so sorry.
Oh, is it? Are we close?
You guys aren't getting it? I can throw it to the audience if that's
Oh
fine.
my god.
Oh, मुझे तो सच में ये ट्यून नहीं
Please, sing, please.
बेचारे वो
Okay, Prasasti, last.
Okay, उनको दे दो.
Okay.
हाँ.
Let's throw it to Kaustubh. Oh, Kaustubh doesn't know. Okay, ma'am behind Kaustubh. Yes. Hangover, तेरी बातों का hangover, तेरी यादों का.
I have no idea. This song I have never heard. Like
How did
beyond
you know
this
it?
much.
Yeah.
What was-
Oh.
Radio.
Yeah, radio.
I think radio.
Because the female voice can sing.
Who's this female
Salman
voice?
Khan, sing it.
Salman.
Salman has a female voice in this.
Oh no. The female singer is who?
Salman?
Shreya
Oh
Ghoshal,
shit!
Yes, Shreya.
Sorry.
Awesome. Cool. Well done. Well done.
Yeah.
Superb.
Good one,
Didn't know
audience.
at all.
That's 2.5 for the audience.
Like I can't even do the I really do.
Okay, this one is one of my favorite songs. Hopefully you guys get it. The second verse of the next song is as follows. Keep your buzzers ready. साथ साथ चलते चलते हाथ छूट जाएंगे. Yes.
साथ साथ चलते
Wow.
चलते हाथ छूट जाएंगे. ये वो गाना इश्क इश्क तेरे वास्ते मेरा इश्क सूफियाना मेरा गा क्यों रहा है? इश्क सूफियाना मेरा इश्क सूफियाना. Good choice.
Beautiful.
Love this song.
Mind blowing.
Man, mind blowing. Prasasti.
Mind blowing.
Too good, eh?
All losers love this song.
Too good.
A song for the losers.
Chandrachud,
Every Chandrachud, yes. All right. Guys, now we're going to go slightly retro.
Oh.
By slightly, I mean 1960s, so very retro. Okay.
Can I leave?
But this is a very popular song still that, if not us, our parents definitely listen to, so we have definitely heard it in our lives.
Okay, so Aigiri Nandini, my mom. Yeah, in the womb.
Okay. हम मिट चले जिनके लिए, हम मिट चले है जिनके लिए, बिन कुछ कहे वो चुप चुप रहे, कोई जरा ये उनसे कहे ना ऐसे आजमाओ. Yes.
Get it, dude. Go for it. Lock it. Close the show.
हम मिट चले
हम मिट चले जिनके लिए
जिनके लिए,
हाँ,
बिन कुछ कहे वो चुप चुप रहे,
Actually, I have ouch, okay?
कोई जरा ये उनसे कहे ना ऐसे आजमाओ.
ना ऐसे आजमाओ. हाँ मुझे पता है गाना. इस गाना इस सॉन्ग.
No,
हम
it's,
हाँ ना ऐसे आजमाओ. ओहो
खोया खोया.
चांद.
Mind blown. Mind blown, dude.
Where you got that guess? It
Dude.
was a moment. This is what you did. You took a bit. Oh, it was too good. It
So
was
good.
cinema.
It came to me. It
So
came to me.
good.
Yes.
Too good.
Man, wasn't that amazing? Let's give it
too
up for Prasasti, guys. Too good, man. Too
All
good.
the songs are songs of yearning.
Wow.
Just check the genre.
Chandy.
That song is for winners only.
Combined. Chandy represent.
Okay. Awesome. This is going so well. The next song
Oh
is
no,
as.
why? Stop it.
There are a few. There are a few.
There are few.
There are a few. There are a few. You'll get
Hate
it.
this
You'll
round.
get
Okay,
till Suzuki gets one. I say we'll continue this game.
Cool. So the whole night, I have a block about this.
Yes.
Round.
Quickly. The next song is as follows. इन गमों को खत्म कर रहे हो तुम इन गमों को oh what really
इन गमों को खत्म
Dude.
कर रहे
Bro.
हो तुम.
Take it. Too good. Prasasti is
Can she
awesome,
get
dude.
10 points for this?
Yes,
This was
go ahead.
so good.
Oh,
fuck, sorry.
Oh, yes, stand every time.
ये सैयारा इन
Yes.
गमों को खत्म
कर
रहे
रहे
हो तुम. दिल की
जख्मों का मरहम बन रहे हो तुम महसूस मुझे
ऐसा क्यों हो रहा.
Arey, give her the points, yeah? What else is she supposed to
She's
do?
getting the points.
बन रहे हो तुम.
ये point मिल गया.
बन रहे हो तुम.
तेरे बिन
तेरे मुझको हो जाएगा नहीं बात का डर है मुझको जीत गई डर जाएगा हो ना जाए प्यार
yes yes you're right Prasasti gets full points
आ नहीं रहा
wow dude. Too good
there are 5 Sayara songs I listen on loop but I get
Yeah.
very confused between them.
oh yes
The moment you said the tune, he's like yours.
dude yeah I read it wrong and she still got it dude that's amazing that's great
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
exactly. This is 10 points.
By popular demand, Prasasti gets 10 points.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's take it. Okay, we'll do. Sorry, Sumuki, 2 more in this.
Oh shit, dude. Shit, dude. Can't wait to look like this.
Okay, let's go. Oh, awesome. Okay. हर बेबसी में प्रशस्ति anything?
अरे, babe, it's बेबसी. It has babe in it. I think.
हर बेबसी में इस जिंदगी ने तुझको ही चाहा, तुझको ही मांगा, जिन रास्तों से गुजरा ये दिल था, मंजिल मिली ना, प्यार ना पाया.
Why is this so branding? It's mine also, guys.
Yeah, it's the same. It's Babesy. It's Babe Chandrachud.
हर बेबसी में तुझको ही मांगा.
नहीं, हर बेबसी में इस जिंदगी ने
हाँ.
तुझको ही चाहा, तुझको ही मांगा,
Okay.
जिन रास्तों से गुजरा ये दिल था, मंजिल मिली ना, प्यार ना पाया.
Okay.
अरे तो सब थोड़ी आ जाएगा भाई. नहीं मैं सुना हुआ है पर वो क्लिक नहीं हो रहा. हर बेबसी.
हर बेबसी
I'm
में
trying,
इस
you know.
जिंदगी ने
जैसे धुन बोलेगा ये आ जाएगा.
हाँ,
पर
रुक
we
जा.
should try.
तुझको ही चाहा, तुझको ही मांगा, जिन रास्तों से गुजरा ये दिल था, मंजिल मिली ना, प्यार ना पाया.
Okay. Let's do this. Okay. I have no clue.
If at this point you don't get it, I will minus only 1 point and I can give you 2 extra lines.
But why will you minus our points?
Because
ये
those are
9
like
के लिए.
Not our points. The points.
the points. No. Not your points. Not your points.
अभी तो 10 जीती हो, एक भी लगा मात्र. हर बेबसी में तुझको ही चाहा, तुझको ही मांगा, फिर
Yes.
क्या हुआ?
जिन रास्तों से गुजरा ये दिल था,
जिन रास्तों
मंजिल
से.
मिली. जिन रास्तों से गुजरा ये दिल था, मंजिल मिली ना, प्यार ना पाया.
Okay.
यार, सुना तो
तू
बहुत
देख ले,
है,
हिंट देख
सुनाता है
ले.
भाई.
मैं तो ब्लैंक
हिंट ले लेते हैं.
ठीक है. तो 1 माइनस करके I'm reading 2 extra lines.
Okay.
The 2 extra lines. I'll read the last line again. जिन रास्तों से गुजरा ये दिल था, मंजिल मिली ना, प्यार ना पाया, खुद को छुपा के राहों से गुजरे, दिल को संभाले, दिल को संभाले.
खुद को छुपा. यार खुद को छुपा के.
खुद को छुपा के राहों से गुजरे.
I have a
दिल
very
को
random
संभाले.
guess.
Guess.
please go ahead.
Is it a hard one or this one? Or it's easy? Then my guess doesn't make sense. It's easy.
हाँ, ये सुना
Everyone's
सुना
got it. I guess it's easy.
तुझको ही चाहा, तुझको. Is it रब ने बना दी जोड़ी?
No.
That song?
No, sorry.
Is it दिल क्या करे?
No, it's not.
I'm done.
लास्ट लाइन बोलना फिर से.
Yes.
तुझको ही चाहा, तुझको ही मांगा. हमने random shit.
Let's see, Sumuki, can you come with a random tune and see what is that?
हर बेबसी में
इस जिंदगी ने
इस जिंदगी ने तुझको ही चाहा. You know, I started मीठी मीठी सी प्यारी प्यारी सी the शामक दावर song. दिल था अभी सीने में. I'm thinking of that song. इसको ड्रा and इसको.
The last 2 lines again. Prasasti are as follows. खुद को छुपा के राहों से गुजरे, दिल को संभाले, दिल को संभाले. Okay, let's go half for half. then.
बेबसी में ना ना ना. No.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it a rap?
Give
No.
tune.
Okay, I'm giving
Make it easy.
half for half.
It's a popular song.
Half for half. Keep your buzzers ready.
Okay.
हर बेबसी में yes.
वो हाँ हूँ ना ना
Yes.
ना ना.
Yes.
हर बेबसी तुझको ही चा ना
Yes.
ना ना.
Quick, go. Yes, Prasasti, go.
कर दे.
लंबी
लंबी
जुदाई.
जुदाई.
लंबी
Prasasti,
जुदाई.
Amazing.
दे लगे इसको
Amazing.
आता होगा ये.
Too good.
इसका ये नहीं आ रहा loser song.
Too good, yaar. Okay. Can we do one that I think might be difficult for Prasasti? Last. Sorry, Sumuki.
Guys, so it's
I know
easy
I
for
said-
me?
Happy? Is it happy song?
Is it a Tamil song?
Is it
Let's
a
see.
winning song?
Let's see how it goes. Okay. All right. हो आज तू बता दे मैनू सब सोनिए, डिनर पे लेके चलूं कब सोनिए. Come on, dude.
आज तो बता दे मुझे
ओए!
डिनर पर लेके चलो कब सुनिए नींद कमर this is Janvi Kapoor Varun Dhawan song na.
No. But you're getting it. I'll let you continue.
जब सुनिए
Ouch.
You can do it.
Yeah.
You can do it.
please.
Is that Diljit Dosanjh song?
Yes,
No.
yes. Come on.
पतली कमर तेरी. Is it that Naina? Yes.
Yeah.
So stressful.
Yes.
You know, this
Guys.
chick was like.
Sumuki got an answer. We can move on to the next video.
Finally.
Excellent. What a fun time.
What a
That was amazing.
Bhai,
Too
the
good.
takeover. That test match third day
Guys.
recovery that you have done today. Crazy.
Amazing.
I also realized that my brain doesn't have memory, body has memory.
You have to get up and
Yeah.
I had to shake,
Yeah.
bring it to my mouth. निकल गया था.
That's a very unique way to get answers.
imagine your exams.
Yeah. Like any quiz that's Prashasti. So.
It's a
Very
problem.
cool.
Nation
Very
wants to
cool.
move. I'm so sorry.
Nice. All right. Where do we stand at the end of the second last game, game 5?
The audience have scored 2.5.
Yeah!
Sumukhi is at 55.
Wow. Amazing.
And with the extra 5 of the popular demand, Prashasti is now at 60.
Oh, so it was tied basically, but she got the extra 5. Thank you, Sumukhi.
Bro, that was 10 points.
That was 10 points.
There is no way that was 5 points.
That was too good. That was really.
And she said,
Yes, you're exactly right. That was mind blowing.
The Sayara
Amazing.
album I have listened to.
Yes.
It
What do
became
you think of the movie?
problematic. Like people are like, are you okay? Yeah, Sayara Edinburgh Festival Sayara album.
But I see it.
My friends were worried for me.
Scottish castles.
No one can see it. Like I'm walking like, what are you doing? Yo, what?
What do you think of the movie, by the way? What
I didn't watch it.
You didn't watch
No,
it?
watch it.
I was in that Gaon show.
Oh, I too watched it and I've publicly said I really liked it. So
it's
I
nice or what?
No, actually, it's I think it's a very very serious opinion. It's a very pure movie. I think someone has created what they thought it should be good. It's not one of those movies जो हम देखते नहीं कि 5 लोग का दिमाग लगा के कुछ भी बना दिया. So
this
that
is one
way,
pure thought.
it's one person's one vision executed very well. And I think I like the romance also where
Yeah, sure.
they're not these Gen Zs are not irritating
Okay.
in that movie. Yeah, you guys know. Okay, bye. In that movie.
Did you tear up? I teared up in multiple places in this
You were
movie. by the way.
Chandrachud. I will not reveal it. I will not say it publicly. I've said it earlier. In one video.
So yes, you
You
did
are
tear
Farida
up.
Jalal.
In Edinburgh, Karan Asnani interviewing me. I'm saying Sayara said, where I cried. So he's put it also in public.
Oh,
So I have nothing to hide, yeah.
nice. All right, guys, we're down to our last game. Yes. This has already been an epic episode. The last game we're going to be playing is called Why So Critical, the movie review game.
Oh.
How this works is I have noted down 11 lines from a popular critic's movie review of a very popular mainstream film again.
Okay.
I will give you one by one each of these lines. Okay. And after each line that I reveal, you guys can take a stab at what you think the movie is. Both of you will, again, it's a buzzer round, so both of you can take a stab at it. Okay. Actually, without buzzer also, you can just say it. Yeah, this one will work without buzzer. This one will work without buzzer also, not a problem.
Okay. And is there negative mark?
No negative points.
Okay.
And also, I'll give you something to start off with, so you know what caliber of movie you're thinking of. for
Okay.
instance,
But इस पूरे game में एक ही movie है.
एक ही movie है. पूरी movie game एक movie है.
Okay.
पूरी game
there
एक
are
ही movie है.
there are 10 points in total to be won.
Okay. Crazy.
But each more hint that I reveal minuses 1 point that you can win.
Got
this.
it. Got
Okay.
it. And मतलब इसीलिए अगर किसी ने पहले ही guess कर लिया तो game खत्म वहीं पे.
हाँ.
Okay.
Correct. Exactly right.
Question.
Yeah, correct. ठीक है. Starting now. The hint basically before we start get into the reviews, the lines is this movie released in the 2010s, so between 2010 and 2020 this movie released, okay, and it's rated 7.2 on IMDb, so you know what caliber of movie you're thinking of, like what scale or whatever, like how good or bad the movie is. All right, 2010s 7.2. The first line of the review is, so basically sometimes I also provide what the reviewers rating is. Sometimes like they get 3.5, but some reviewers don't give a rating, so it's just what it is. Okay.
So this is part of the 11 points or this is just generic?
10 points, 11 lines.
10 different points. एक ये point.
No, this is not.
Oh,
This
this
is
is
not. This is just to start
intro.
off, so you know you have something to go off of.
Okay.
Okay. The first hint is as follows: Dash, that is this movie, is the rare rom-com that remembers why we like watching people in love on screen, and it never forgets to present Dash and Dash, that is the two people, as people.
Can we guess or what? If
Yeah,
you guess
please.
it's wrong, it's negative or what?
No, negative.
Is it Tanu? It's Manu.
It is not Tanu, it's Manu.
Okay.
So one hint each, huh? Yeah. So yeah. Anything at all?
Remember why we like watching movies in love on screen and it never forgets to present Dash and Dash's people. नहीं अभी आ गया हाँ next पे करते हैं
Okay,
मैं guess,
so that's if you had gotten here, you would have gotten full 10. But
Okay.
for 9 points, the next one is She pulls back, and they look at one another as if seeing each other for the first time. The camera holds them in a tight two-shot, his face and hers. And then they begin to lean in. The soundtrack goes silent, and you sense the mood: fear, embarrassment, hesitation, desire. And you hear the unasked question: what am I doing? Does this make sense?
What? But it's 2000.
2000.
2010s, huh?
She pulls back and they look at one another as if seeing each other for the first time.
Shot his face.
Hold them in a tight two-shot. Okay, his face and hers. And then begin to
Prasasi is acting it up.
Body memory has to come.
Body memory.
I don't know if it's 2010s, but
Embarrassment.
I'll guess initially.
Yeah, just go ahead.
Is it Ashiki 2?
No, it's not Ashiki 2.
The unasked question. What am I doing? Does it make sense? Oh, is this some... The movie basically doesn't forget to portray them as people. हाँ तो मतलब कुछ
But reviewers भी तो
हाँ, fair.
ये rom-com
Smokey exactly right.
वाला-
Smokey's thinking is right. Yeah.
कि वो रोमांस है रोम-कॉम था पहले वाले हिंट
It's a rom-com.
रोम-कॉम
Rom-com.
रोम-कॉम ही कितनी बना दी इन
Is
लोगों ने
it?
वैसे
Can I take another guess?
या या
No,
Oh,
not
I-
allowed.
I should
Not
not-
allowed.
okay.
Not allowed.
Right now, Prasasi.
रोम कॉम 2010 to 2020 के बीच में वही तो दिमाग ही ब्लैंक हो जा रहा है मैं बहुत कम रोम कॉम आई है क्या ऐसा कुछ फियर एम्बैरेसमेंट एंड यू हियर द अनदर क्वेश्चन व्हाट एम आई डूइंग डजंट मेक सेंस हैं
I have a very bad guess.
I have no guess actually yeah
Okay, no worries. Moving on to the next one. The actors here, as elsewhere, are excellent. Malab, they are considered good actors in general.
Yeah.
The actors here, as elsewhere, are excellent. His scruffiness clashing perfectly with her marble-molded poise. After all, a rom-com wouldn't be a rom-com if the attraction weren't between opposites. But what makes the scene really special is the director's decision to draw a curtain on their lovemaking.
love making also happens
I want to guess. You
Yes,
guess.
please go ahead.
Is it Harry Met Sejal?
No, not Harry Messenger. No.
I'm having fun though. I'm going to name all the rom-coms of 2010s.
2010 में मैं सारे
2010 to 2020. This movie released.
2020 मूवी आई थी
Oh, I have one more. Next one.
मार्बल मोल्डेड पॉइज ओके मतलब चिल्लाने वाली हीरोइन नहीं है इसमें हाँ एंड नॉट दो दैट क्यूट 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 अनुष्का शर्मा टाइप कैरेक्टर नहीं
इसीलिए मैं हैरी में चीज़
है या पर वो तो उसका तो मार्बल मोल्डेड पॉइज है
उसमें पॉइस था ना बट वो उसका एक्शन खराब
अच्छा
था
ओके
तो
ओ
poise
अच्छा ऐसे नहीं
मैं
लोग मेरे बारे में
स्क्रफीनेस
पूछते
के लिए
हैं।
जा रही थी बिकॉज शाहरुख ट्राइड स्क्रफीनेस इन दैट ही ट्राइड टू बी टेलीकॉमिक
Nice. Oh, yeah.
The attraction weren't between opposites but what makes it seem really special is the director's decision to show
reading it like the
yeah curtain on their love making मतलब metaphorical curtain है या
Medical,
फिर
so basically,
ओ मैं तो जोधा
yeah,
अकबर
he like cut short the
Oh, their
lovemaking part.
lovemaking.
oh shame
Yeah, like that.
मैंने क्या सोचा था अभी
स्क्रफी कौन रह रहा है स्क्रफी
हैरी मेट सेजल में ऑलमोस्ट होता ना वो ऐसा वाला मेकआउट then गौरी का कॉल आ गया excuse me शाहरुख sorry baby sorry
ओके मैं नेक्स्ट में करूँ
Okay, next one. The alliterative allurements of the title aside,
रुकमा चोपड़ा का रिव्यू है ये
the directors that dashes the directors that this movie arrives with the best screen kiss in our cinema's history. That's high praise. By the way, this is a Bharadwaj Rangan review, so he's really impressed by this movie. By the way, the alliterative allurements of the title aside, this movie arrives with the best screen kiss in our cinema's history, a distinction that sounds dubious until you realize how uncommon it is to witness the locking of lips as the key to understanding a relationship. By the way, I read the entire review, right? This guy is obsessed with the lovemaking part of the movie, by the way. The movie is great, but this guy just keeps concentrating on the lovemaking
see
part.
Bharadwaj he's a big Mani Ratnam fan
Yeah,
right so
sure.
is it it could be but now मेरे guesses जा रहे हैं but then that's not alliterating allurement
Yes. So basically, the title is
हाँ
yeah, title में
ऐसे
alliteration.
है। साथ सम ऐसे you know
ओ इन लोग को समझ में आ गया भाई
Wait, guys, don't say it out loud, please.
पिक्चर रोम कॉम भी है अच्छी मैं तो रोम कॉम पे ही ब्लैंक हो जा रहा है इतिहास की पिक्चर
भारद्वाज ने कौन सी पिक्चर देखी भाई भारद्वाज हेलो कैन टेल ही लाइक्स द लव मेकिंग रुक जा लव मेकिंग बहुत कम में है
और बेस्ट स्क्रीन किस
Yes.
से
इज इट बैंड बाजा
Yes, That's 7 points.
पॉइंट्स मार्बल पॉइंट्स का है
7 points to Subuki. Amazing. 7.
मैं सोचा बैंड बाजा मैंने कहा ये तो लड़की भी
Wow.
लाउड है
Subuki.
किस तो अच्छी थी
Too
guys,
good.
किस तो अच्छी
Too good.
hot.
Too good. Too good.
करने का मन करता
But is it the best kiss?
No, I mean it's a good kiss.
It is a very good
मतलब
kiss.
इस decade में बात तो सही
The
है.
Hrithik Aishwarya kiss.
Fuck all.
Pretty
it
bad.
was this.
Words भी नहीं थे.
It was this.
Yeah.
It was like both families came called saying don't do it.
Oh, Raja Hindustani, Karishma, and that's a hot
But it's
chick.
Amin Khan.
So,
या हम लोग भी
All
यंग थे ना,
Amin.
हम तब यंग थे तो हमें अच्छा लगता सब कुछ.
अच्छा.
ये मूवी तो मैंने बहुत रिसेंटली देखी. तुमने मार्बल पॉइस तो नहीं था.
अभी अब उसका रिव्यू है, मैं क्या बोलूँगा अब. मैंने तो रिव्यू के लाइन दिए.
Hello, Bharat.
ये क्या कर बाबल पॉज करनी है?
Love Making was also hot.
Yeah, yeah,
Like
yeah.
I didn't understand it was a thigh or an arm.
Yeah.
It was crazy.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I saw it this. Correct.
Oh, this one was a very funny line. It was her happiness grows 100-fold when A, after dropping her, offers the ride to her overweight father.
Yeah.
The latter is unable to sit astride, so he seats himself ladies style.
Uncle ji, मैं छोड़ देता हूँ.
Uncle. Okay, guys, that brings us to the end
I
of
think
the
you
episode.
won so much.
How many points did I get?
I think 7
बहुत
points.
भारी.
But it's
Let's
been
see
a
where we
pleasure.
stand. Guys, one of the closest games ever. Okay. The audience is very close at 2.5 points. Very good. Very well done. Very well done. But also an amazing audience. by the
Yeah,
way.
what a fun
fantastic audience.
Thank you. Shout out.
The second place is 60 points. Prashasti
I
Singh.
know. Yeah.
Very cool. And being crowned the biggest
With 2 points.
Bollywood Begum with 2 points in the lead, 62 points. Sumukhi Suresh! Wow.
That's right. 2 marks से मैं हमेशा पास हुई हूँ. Woo, that's me. Proud of.
Accepted speech. Accepted speech.
Oh, I would.
I'll hold it for you.
Thank you. I would like. Okay.
Frame, हाँ.
I would. अरे यार, thank you so much. This is really truly a big award. And but also winning by 2 points from Prashasti Singh, we proud.
Dude.
Also, show, episode with Prashasti Singh, we proud. And would like to thank my education, which was minus because I was watching movies. So thank you.
Guys, what an amazing episode. One of the best episodes we've ever done. I
Yeah,
can clearly say. What a time. What a time.
surprise.
Thanks, Chandrachud. We
Amazing.
love you.
Love you guys. Love you so much. Love you so much. Guys, any plugs before we end?
Oh yeah. बोल तेरा.
प्लग क्या है मेरा भाई, बहुत शोज है. मैं YouTube पे जो भी देख रहा है आपके शहर में मैं आ रही होंगी शायद. तो प्लीज टिकट लेके मेरा शो देखने आ जाए. That's all.
Same hormonal is also happening and new show is also happening. So please check our Instagram links.
Yeah. And Sumukhi Happy Patel, as you just said.
Oh yeah, yeah, but like you like if you want to really buy things. No, Happy Patel also, yes.
So funny. All right. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Please like, share, subscribe. We have a show coming up just next week on the 22nd. So if any of you are free, please feel free to come for that. It's Anirban Das Gupta versus Vaibhav Seth. That's going to be a great episode.
तो उनको कुछ भी नहीं आता होगा.
कुछ भी नहीं आता
वो
होगा.
लोग क्रिकेट के आंसर्स देके जाएंगे.
I'm just going to get Anirban drunk. I think that's the strategy going forward.
Kill
Okay,
एकदम
anyway.
मजा आ गया. Kill. Vaibhav Sethia will this your versus your fucked. Because Vaibhav Sethia is gonna jerk off to that. How can you say that? How can you say it's not there only? It's not there. You're screwed. Very excited. Come for this show.
All right. Thank you so much, guys. You guys have been a fantastic audience. Please give us a round of applause. Thank you for tuning in. See you again next week. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Yay.
What's the most recent movie you guys have seen? Hindi Bollywood? Oh my god! Oh my! Dude, I call that movie. You were a part of the movie? You were a part of the movie? Wait, you're a part of Sarin Sanskari? You're in the movie? You're Varun Dhawan's mom? Ma'am. Oh, great movie. The best movie. Janhvi Kapoor is the greatest actor I've ever seen. I didn't even know she can act like that. What? That's amazing, dude. Oh, her and Varun Dhawan. Oh, the chemistry. Oh, the orgasms I got, dude. That was great. That was so good. Can you guys do this? Just press this from down. And
For face
do
light.
this. Just do that. No, I think you know, press it properly.
पैसे प्रॉपर्ली कह रहा है वो.
भाई हमारा काम नहीं कर रहा भाई.
मैं गलत कर रही हूँ.
सही कर रही है. सही कर रही है.
प्रेस
हुआ. सही कर रही है कोई ठोकना है उसके ऊपर से
Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I just
ठुकाई
wasted time on that.
ठुकाई के डिपार्टमेंट में लाइट नहीं जल रही भोजपुरी गाने बनवाने क्या हमसे
आपका चंद्रचूड़ सिंह हो गया क्या? All right, guys, we are down to.
यूनिक मोमेंट
Oh, shit,
गिरा
sorry.
था तुम।
नहीं, कुछ-
नहीं हम चीटिंग मैं तो चीटिंग करती हूँ ओके
चंद्रचूड़ खिले खिले चेहरों से आज कल है मेरा
Sorry, guys, I'm pregnant. My stomach.